Hello there, how are you? Come on in. Oh, hi. Welcome to my channel. My name is Lois Ndege. I'm a mechanical engineer as well as a petroleum and gas engineer. What is my career all about? I'm a lecturer at the University of Nairobi, as well as a PhD student at the University of Nairobi. I'm doing a PhD in engineering, so you're in the right channel. From the title, you must have read that we are going to talk all about what is engineering. So, engineering is a word that was derived from the Latin words called ingenium, meaning cleverness. So, engineering is the use of scientific principles to design and to build. What are we designing and what are we building? We are designing bridges, we are building roads, we are designing machines, we are building vehicles, and etc. Engineering is a very, very broad discipline, and that's why it's divided into 5 categories. And these main categories are mechanical engineering, petroleum and gas engineering, chemical engineering, electrical engineering, and civil engineering, among a few. Other branches of engineering, so don't come for me, don't come for me. And these are, there's aerospace engineering, there's biomedical engineering, and how could I forget computer engineering? There's also nuclear engineering as well as marine engineering. So if you're taking any of these engineering courses, kindly comment in the comment section below so that we can have a chat, chit chat. I'm still here. Hello, I'm still here. So where did we leave it off from? The earliest engineer was an engineer from Egypt, from ancient Egypt, called Imhotep. And he was able to use science and maths to solve problems. Engineering is one of the cornerstones of the STEM education. And what is STEM education? STEM education is a curriculum that has been designed to motivate students to learn sciences, to learn technology, to learn engineering, what we're talking about, and to learn mathematics subjects. So, if you're interested in my channel and if you're interested in my content, kindly click the subscribe button because this content is for you. And I want to motivate students, guys and boys and girls and ladies to learn more about engineering, or also to join me in the engineering field. If you have any query, kindly let me know it in the comment section below and I will answer you promptly. Otherwise, until next time, namaste. Bye.